Section 2.5, Writing and Running Some Small Programs. You've just finished the major step of installing Python and VS Code and getting it working. Before we start working with our AI assistant Copilot, let's write a few more small programs so you get a feel for typing and running code. Let's start with writing a small program that involves adding numbers. Go ahead and delete the line you wrote that prints "Hello World" and replace it with the following.
See this code?
What do you think that code will print? Will it print A plus B, or will it print 30? Go ahead and run it and see. The computer calculated the sum of 10 and 20 and printed 30. This is pretty neat, right? We've used the computer to do some small calculations. If you change the value for A or B, what do you think will happen? Feel free to play with this on your own. We'll spend a lot more time later in this book talking about the details of how to read code, but if you're curious, here's how to read that code.
See this code?
The key piece right now is that you become comfortable with the idea of typing code in the editor pane and running it using the Run button. Let's do just one more small example. Suppose you want to calculate the area of a square. Recalling our formulas for shapes, the area of a square whose sides are length s is as follows. Area equals s squared. Let's start with defining a side to be a certain length and then printing the area.
See this code?
We encourage you to type and run that code. When you run it, you should get the following.
See this code?
Did you run into any problems typing in that code? We suspect many of you did. If you missed a quotation mark, a comma, or a parenthesis, you probably got some kind of unpleasant error like this. Here, if you forgot a comma. When you ran the code.
See this code?
In the old way of learning programming, you'd spend a lot of time making sure you understood the exact characters to write to make the programming language, Python, happy. We'll reiterate the good news. With an AI assistant like Copilot, syntax becomes much, much less important. Let's get Copilot installed so you can learn how to work with that tool.